I, Omar Mwenyeshimba,
15 ministers allied to the Code Alliance and 2 from the Jubilee side took their oath of office yesterday, choosing to ignore the directive to resign from cabinet first. They are Medical Services Minister Anyang' Nyong'o, Lands Minister James Orengo, Local Governments Paul Otuama, Fisheries Minister Amason Kingi, Youth Affairs Minister Babuna Mwamba, Immigrations Otieno Kajwang, Tourism Minister Dan Maanzo, Planning Minister Wycliffe Oparanya, Chris Oburi of Public Works and Trade Minister Moses Wetangula. Assistant ministers allied to Code who are yet to step down from cabinet are David Musila, Elizabeth Ongoro, Hassan Joho, Oburu Odinga and Sospita Ojamong. From the Jubilee side, Livestock Minister Mohammed Kuti and Regional Development Assistant Minister Moses Olesakuda are yet to comply with the directive. JSO at 7 has learned that the Code leaders are pegging their hope on the expected Supreme Court ruling tomorrow, as a presidential runoff or a repeat election will require a caretaker government. Code politicians argue that the petition at the Supreme Court effectively extends the mandate of the current government. Hence, it will be premature to resign. Political analyst Baraza Nyikuri says that all eyes will be on the Supreme Court's verdict tomorrow, as it will be the only body that will give direction on whether the election process is over or Kenyans will head for a fresh election or a rerun. Yesterday, Justice Isaac Leneola declined to issue an order to counter the presidential directive for cabinet ministers to resign before taking over new posts. Leneola, who was responding to a petition by Medical Services Minister Anyang' Nyong'o, said that the law is clear that the oath of office cannot be taken while one was still a holder of another office. Leneola told Nyong'o that he either resigns or steps down as a senator, saying that the law dictates that they cannot take the oath of office as a senator or MP and still continue holding a ministerial position. With the Supreme Court's verdict expected tomorrow, any Kenyan may therefore move to court to challenge the swearing in of the said ministers. For JSO at 7, I'm Shem Oluchiri.